Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm at the University of Pécs where I'll be doing a dorm tour of the Szanto Dorm, which is one of the most famous dorms here in the University of Pécs for the international students. So I'll be meeting up with one of my friends who lives in this dorm, and she will give us a dorm tour of the whole dorm. All these blocks here are of course the dorm, and just behind me right now is where the entrance is. So let's get inside and see how actually the dorms here look like.
I'm Talk. Welcome to Szanto. This is the entrance, and over here we have the smoking zone here and bike parking. And yeah, welcome.
Don't you have a reception here?
We do upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just follow me. The reception. So we have another block over there. Then the study room.
The study room.
Okay, come. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these are
the vending machines for snacks.
Do you
drinks.
have coffee?
Yeah.
Or does it have any with coffee?
No.
Oh, okay.
Just the canned ones.
Okay.
Yeah. And water.
Oh, dispenser.
It's free.
Wow.
Yeah, free water. There's more water over there. Yeah.
So, still the study room, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another block.
Oh.
We also have the laundry room on that side.
Can we access the laundry room today?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We can.
Now?
Yeah, we can try right now. Okay.
Come.
Oh, we have to use the lift.
Yeah.
So are we in the basement or first floor?
Yeah, the basement.
Oh, the basement. Okay,
Yeah.
for the laundry room. Okay.
So you can do anyone can do their laundry for free.
For free?
Yeah, at
any
time.
Yeah.
It's kind of messy, but it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And do they dry or just?
Yeah. After the laundry, you can spin. Then not 100% dry.
Yeah.
But 90% dry.
Okay.
Yeah. After you can just hang your clothes on the racks.
Okay, in the rooms.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now where do we go next?
To my room.
Okay. Let's go to the rooms then.
So these are the shared washrooms and toilets.
Okay.
Yeah, they get cleaned every day. Yeah, and the female ones and the male.
Gents,
And
how often do they clean the pavements?
Every day. Yeah, every day. So you must have a rack for your clothes.
Yeah.
After laundry.
And this is your room?
And this is my room.
Okay.
Welcome. So this is the kitchen, and we have the cooking space. Yeah,
Oh, you cook in your rooms?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And the fridge.
The fridge.
We have just a cabinet, a storage cabinet for your utensils, and one for the food.
Yeah.
Yeah. My roommates.
Yeah. Okay. On the other side.
Yeah. Then we have like clothing space, cabinets.
Yeah.
And more space on top, and more if you need to use it. And then we have hanging space for jackets. Just random. And so every day, every Friday, they come to clean, and they give us tissues.
They clean the rooms for you?
Yeah. They clean the rooms, they leave tissue, and trash bags, and they change the bed sheets. Yeah.
And I see the beds.
So this is reading space, studying space.
Yeah.
More studying space.
So this is yours?
Yeah, this is my space.
So you get a chair, a table, and cabinets.
Yeah, this is the chair, comfortable. And more storage space for your clothes.
Oh, under the bed.
Yeah.
So each room gets two
beds, 2 people.
Yeah.
With their own stuff. 2 beds, 2 study areas, 2 cabinets.
Yeah.
Just everything in 2.
And all blocks have 2 people?
No, block A has 4 people, and the bathroom and toilet is in the room.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So
and the kitchen.
Here you
also have a kitchen.
Oh, nice. So in this, which block is this?
D.
D. And how many blocks are there in total in the Szanto Dorm?
Not sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in D, so you have shared kitchen. I mean shared washrooms only. But you have, okay.
Yeah.
And block A have 4 people with a kitchen with a washrooms inside.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And what do you have on this other side?
We have a heater for winter.
Yeah, for during winter. Yeah. Of course.
And a view.
Wow. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And how long is from the dorm to the campus, to the classes?
30 minutes.
By walking?
By foot. And 10 minutes or 15 minutes by bus.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, nice room.
Thank you. This is the other type of room with 4 people. 2 people on one side and 2 people in the other room. They share the kitchen. Yeah, so this is the fridge and the cooking space, the sink and cabinets, all that. Yeah. And over here we have the bathroom.
Just the bathroom. Okay.
Yeah, just a regular bathroom. Yeah.
This other side.
And on this other side, we have a toilet.
Oh, this is the toilet.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they.
Sink. And finally.
And we can check out this room.
Okay.
Yay!
Nice.
Yeah.
So you get 2 people in this room and
2 people in the other room.
And 2 people in this room.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And it's. Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing.
I know. So it's a bigger space, I guess. Yeah, the same thing, heater, study area for each. Yeah, a bed.
And
There are yeah,
more cabinets.
more cabinets and another bed. So this is the view from the third floor, block A, and this is our school football stadium. And on top of the hill, just residential place, yeah. And yeah, that's where our school is located. Up there, the white building.
Oh,
Yeah, and then there's the TV tower. Yeah, just that.
wow.